Hey y'all, just wanted to bring you along. Decided to put a new headset in only because I had it on hand. Had it for another build that I didn't use it on. So this is 44 millimeter inside diameter. This is our old set. Well, it's not old and there's nothing wrong with it. I just had a set that was a bit more updated, and I may even go and put a better set on in the future, but I had this one on hand. It's a little more sturdy, and I'm going to go ahead and throw it in, and I will show you the result, although I guess you can't really see it, but simple to get this out of here. I just used a, once I took everything off, just took a regular screwdriver and just popped it with a mallet. Didn't take much. A couple taps on each side from the inside, and came right out. But I'll show you the finished result here in a few. All right, forgot to mention this is the fork. Once I popped it down out of there, and that's what you're going to have, and you got to get that off. So give me a minute here and I'll let you know how I did it. All right, working my way around this with a razor blade. Chipped a little bit of paint off. It's not the end of the world, and it is hard to get in there, but if you're real careful with a razor blade and a regular hammer, you can work your way around, and next step, it'll be coming off, and we'll put the new one on. All right, got the new race tapped down on there. All I used was a Schedule 40 chunk of plastic pipe and slid down over that 1.1/8" head tube and tapped that down on there. Did put a little bit of Park Tool grease on it, make it a little bit easier. All right, we're back. Got my highly sophisticated headset press. Anyone can build. And we're gonna push these cups in and finish putting it back together. Got the top one in, but here's an example of what you don't want to do. So just beware of that. Top one looks good, so I'm gonna keep working on this bottom one. Just be careful that you don't keep going when you see that it's like that. All right, back with the cups installed. Took a little working to get the bottom one in, but it's good. Now we're ready to finish putting her back together. All right, finished product. Got everything adjusted. Can't notice a huge difference, but we're about to go for a ride. Everything went together good. Have an updated bearing set in there. Should be a lot sturdier. Little shakedown ride, and don't mind the barking dogs. Nice and stable. Feels good, easy to upgrade. Super common headset, easy to get parts for. Can't recommend this bike enough. Thanks for watching.